Ooh. Oh boy, there is so many good things inside, because I have bought almost every accessory for iPhone 15 Pro Max from Reeflex. Let's see how it's packed. Let's go. Wow. So nice. My kids adore any stickers. Here is case for my iPhone. We'll take a look at this in a second. And this is the carrying case. Well, seems very nice. Reflex logo, but it's not so catchy. Okay. So first lens, telephoto. I must admit that these lenses are my first lenses for smartphone, and I'm amazed because this is quite hefty. Oh boy, this is telephoto lens. You feel quality here. This is amazing. Logo from the one side, and here there is description which lens it is. Amazing. Take a look at papers that we have here. We have QR codes for camera app. Here is interesting instruction how to put it on. Another app from Reeflex. Another. Okay, so what do we have in the box? Except of the lens itself. Oh, nice. We have a lens hood. Also, it is also magnetic. And we have little pouch. Oh, pouch. And clothing to clean your lens. This little bag could have a description like telephoto. That would be even nicer, but it's really okay. Right here we have wide angle. Here we have some kind of sticker, paperwork, and lens itself. Wide angle lens is a little bit smaller, as I can see, less bulkier, but glass looks pretty nice. Oh boy, take a look at this, guys. These magnetic caps for the front of your lens are just amazing. Fisheye lens. Oh. Wow, this is so tiny. Truly, after the previous lenses, I thought that this will be like something so big, and this is the smallest one so far, but it looks pretty interesting, to be honest. I'm really curious how it will be to create action videos with this one. Okay, right now macro 10x, paperwork side, and here we have the macro lens 10x. Wow, this is so tiny, but so cool. Amazing. Wow, can't wait to actually shoot something with such nice macro lens. And I will tell this again, when you touch this, you can feel great quality. Long range macro 10x. This looks quite similar to macro 10x, but I guess it's a little bit heavier. Okay, what do we have here? Anamorphic 0.33x. I can't wait to shoot something anamorphic, to be honest. Wow, this is quite a lens. Take a look at this. Take a look at the size. This is long range macro. like we have here, long range macro and anamorphic. What a difference in size and in weight. Looks amazing. Really, I'm amazed. These lenses are just brilliant. So good feel of the lens when you handle it in the hand. And here I have adapters. I have adapters compatible with ReMag. ReMag is this magnetic system of attaching and detaching lens hoods, filters and other things. And because every of these lenses have different sizes on the top, you need to have adapters, and also to be able to use like only V and D filter or any other filter just with the iPhone case. You will need this adapter, but I think that this is pretty neat solution. Nice. Oh, this is additional layer, so these things don't hurt each other. Nice. Oh, you see, this is step-up adapter for wide angle and telephoto. This is step-up adapter for anamorphic. And this is just 67mm filter mount. And this filter mount is attached directly to the iPhone case, or if you have another iPhone case or cage which has plate with 17mm thread, then you can attach this directly, and this is what I wanted. Okay, here we have a CPL filter. I will tell this again, it's amazing because these filters are magnetic. Every of them is magnetic, and to be honest, I love magnetic filters. I have magnetic filters for my Sony ZV-E10, and this is just brilliant solution. Take a look at this. I must say that this filter looks just amazing. This is a circular polarizer, so we will have to circle it to change polarization. Amazing. So finally, I've switched my iPhone case. Right now I have the one from the Reeflex. As you can see, looks pretty nice with an iPhone. I'm happy with how the cameras are protected, because they are all hidden below the case, which is quite nice. Screen is also quite good protected, because maybe you can see that edge of the case is a little bit above the screen. I have also screen protector, so I'm not afraid that something will be broken. Covers of buttons are really great, so every button is quite accessible and easy. This is not hard to click it. Pretty nice. I would say that this is quite decent iPhone case. Okay, I must say that this thread, 17mm here, is quite nice to use, because it aligns really well. It's actually quite easy to mount. This is how it looks like. Kind of bulky, and that's a little bit heavy, but it has really nice feeling. Actually, it could be much easier to shoot a video with that, because you feel the weight of it, so you can easily operate with your phone. I have Blackmagic camera set it up for the anamorphic lens, so right now I will show you quick shot. Okay, so right now I'm talking to you directly from the new anamorphic lens from Reeflex, and I'm curious how image looks like. What do you think about it? Worth it, not worth it? Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more videos regarding these reflex lenses. Just one more thing, guys, take a look at this. This is the fisheye lens, and I must say that, wow, this wide field of view is just amazing on it. Really interesting lens, interesting. I'm amazed. Now this telephoto lens looks pretty nice. I guess that image quality is quite nice. This is my arm at full length and I'm holding the phone. I hope that you can see something. This is image from wide angle lens and just regular iPhone camera app. I'm curious, how do you find this image? I mean, not me, but image quality. So take a look at this. This is how this tech pouch looks like with lenses inside. And I must say that this is quite heavy with all the lenses inside. It's quite nice. But except of lenses, I guess that you won't pack much things here. Maybe I'll make a review after some time of wearing it.